What's up everyone, my name's Sebastian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be photographing an event. It's a charity event called An Evening for the Bahamas. Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes. I'm going to be photographing this event by myself, so without further ado, let's get started. So the gear that I'm going to be using today is as follows. Sony a7 III, Tamron 28-75, Sony 85 1.8, 16-35 f4. I'm bringing two Godox flashes with a Godox trigger as well. Extra batteries for the camera, so memory cards, power bank, chargers, which are going to be in the back. So I'm going to pack this stuff into my car and then get going because I should be there in around 15 minutes and then start setting up. I'm not actually going to wear this hat, it's just to keep my hair down while I drive. All right, I'm now at the event hall. A few tips for event photography: always arrive a little bit early. A, it gives you a good first impression. Two, it gets you an opportunity to talk to all the organizers, DJs, and all the people involved behind the scenes to make sure that they know who you are and what you're going to be doing. And three is just so you know the program and what's going to be happening throughout the evening if you don't already. In this case, I do, so I just arrived a little bit earlier to set up my gear. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm getting my camera ready. I'm gonna put a flash on one of these posts that's gonna be bouncing light off the ceiling, and I'm just gonna get all my gear set up first. It's now 7:30, so I've been at this event for 3 hours. So I have another 3 hours to go for my setup. I've just been sticking with a flash on the camera. My shutter speed's at 160. Aperture's at 5.6. My ISO is at 1250. And my flash power is at half power for this Godox flash. Anyways, I just finished eating, so I'm gonna go back to the event and start getting some photos once everyone starts getting their plates cleared and standing up to dance.
We are down at the moment. I know it's going to take a while before we get back on our feet. Sometimes what has happened in the past, we were not able to jump quickly on our feet. Sometimes we have to move up slowly. Sometimes get up on a knee first. Then while we're on our knee, we will pray. Then we get on our feet and we will pray. We are a praying people, we'll never stop praying, and we are a people of faith, and it's faith that drives our optimism and our hope that we will. My son called me, I think it was that Thursday, probably 2 days after, to say 2 of his friends in Grand Bahamas died. So they were in their house. The water in the house began to rise. The water rose all the way into so as it rose higher and higher, they went into the attic, thinking that they would not have gone into the attic. But they didn't take any kind of instrument or tool to knock through the roof. They drowned in the attic.
just past 10 o'clock and the event's basically finished. It's just the reception, everyone's dancing and having a really good time. I just wanted to let you guys know what my settings are. They're very similar to when I was shooting before. Basically the only thing that changes is that the background gets darker because the lights are off. But the flash is still at half power. I'm at 5.6 and 1/60 of a second. But my ISO is at 1600 now. It's a little bit higher just to compensate for a little bit darker lighting. However, it's been a bit of a challenge here and there because there's a lot of white walls. So whenever anyone's standing behind a white wall, it gets brighter, so I have to very quickly compensate for that by increasing the shutter speed. But generally, I've been sticking to 1/60, maybe 1/25 for the shutter speed. Other than that though, it's been an absolute blast, this event. I've really been enjoying it, really been enjoying photographing it and just being a part of it. So I'm gonna go finish my last half hour to an hour here and then head home, head to the studio and then start some editing to get these out as soon as possible. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you learned something as well. I'm going to be leaving a donation link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Otherwise, make sure to click the subscribe button, thumbs up, and leave me a comment with some feedback because I'd love to hear it. Till next time, peace.